In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to open up your Toyota Echo key fob to change the internal battery at home. This is a very easy process. You will just need a regular flathead screwdriver and one of these CR2025 batteries to get it done. If you don't know where to get one of these batteries or you just like to get one online, check the link in the description here on YouTube. That'll take you to Amazon to get one of those batteries for just a couple of bucks. And again, this is the battery, the exact battery that you need for this particular device. The first step is to look up here on the top of the device. You can see there's a little indentation there. We're going to take our flathead screwdriver, insert it into that area, and just holding the device loosely, you don't want to squeeze on it, just twist the screwdriver. And it'll come apart. You can set the back piece of plastic to the side, and right here we have our battery. So if you have a smaller screwdriver, you may be able to get into this area. This is how we will be pulling out the battery. Mine's a little bit too big. I'm going to use a precision screwdriver here, and the motion that we want to do is push it all the way down and just pry the battery out. If you have the right instrument, it is super easy. You can kind of work it out with the corner of one of these, but you might have a tough time, or you might mess up the plastic a little bit, like you can see on mine, because I did that a couple times. So I'd recommend a precision screwdriver. If you don't have that, you could use a thick paper clip. You just bend it out and make the same motion, perhaps a bobby clip, something like that. Anything that'll fit into that hole. If you can't find anything and you're already maybe getting the battery online, I would recommend a set of these precision screwdrivers. This is the same exact thing that I'm using here. You get a couple sizes of flathead and Phillips head, and it's just a couple of bucks. So the link will be in the description if you would like to pick something like that up. So let's just show you that again. Instrument in, you push down to the bottom and you just simply pry back and the battery will pop right out. CR2025, make sure you're using a 2025 battery and put the positive side facing up. So you want to see the little plus sign and the text and all that information facing up, and you will just push the battery down. First, getting it situated behind these two little pieces of plastic and then just clicking in the top. Last step is just to click these two halves back together, make sure it's nice and secure. You can see, you can test that the light comes on. That means your battery is charged and you put it in the right way and you did everything correctly. So good job. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, you can let me know down in the comments or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help changing another battery in one of your key fobs for any make or model, you can check out the rest of our tutorials here on YouTube or visit us directly at fobbattery.com.